Guys, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, just to let you know what we do on this channel is we do a lot of product reviews, tech reviews, live gaming, even live streaming. We throw in some vlogs in here. We do some tech reviews, some how-to videos, car tech reviews. We do a bunch of different things here, guys, that you might want to be interested in. So always stay tuned and you'll never miss out on great stuff. So with that said, make sure you hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out on things. All right, so today we're here in my S2000. As you see, I'm in my convertible. So I want to go over things that I like about my S2000. I like everything about it, just the compact of it is a little annoying sometimes. One of the biggest issues that I have right now with the S2000 is holding my phone in place somewhere. Now, as you see right now, I have nowhere to put it. By the vents, I can't have anywhere. Basically, all I have to do is throw it on here. And then that gets annoying because that could fall over. I've had times that the phone has fallen all over the place. I have nowhere to pose it. Okay, I can put it on the vent. I can get the vent mounts, but my controllers are there for my AC control. And with S2000, I only have 2 vents. I don't have 4 vents. 4 to 6 vents like most cars do, and that's why we have 3, 2 in the front and 1 on the side over here. That's it. That's all I have because it's not a big car, so you don't need that many vents. So if I block one of the vents, it's gonna get pretty hot in the car, and it's gonna over freeze the phone in the back of the phone. Now, my solution for this for now was to put it in my cup holder, which I use for storage. As you see, it's in there, but that's where I keep it, and that's how I start driving. But that gets annoying as well as too, because now when I'm driving, I'm like rubbing against my phone. I can crack it, anything. I don't like that. So what did I pick up? I looked on forums all over online, and I found they sell this mount kit. It's in this package right here. I did buy this from Modifier Products. It's a mount that goes on the side of the vent, on the outside, right above my radio. It mounts there. So this is just the bracket. So I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see. All right. So all you're buying is this bracket right here. Right here. This is how the whole packet comes in. All right. So this is the bracket here. So basically, you're gonna do this. Take this and mount it behind, like inside the dash, coming out. I'll show you in a minute how this looks, but this is all you get. So you're like, how do you mount your phone on here? All right, there's many ways you can mount it. You can actually attach a magnet here. You can get those magnet types ones, like it clicks right here and then it just stays by magnet. But when you guys know with the S2000, so it's pretty torquey. These S2000s are torquey. So with the vibration, the magnet's not gonna be strong enough to keep it on here. So I didn't want to do that. All right. So what I did is I went ahead and bought this little thing right here. This is a phone mount bracket. All right. Right here. So it comes with this right here. This is a bracket. As you can see, this stretches out. Let me see if it stretches out. I want to make sure that I do it correctly because I don't want to break it. Okay, there you go. So there's a button right down here. I didn't see it because this is being covered right here. But see, the phone will sit right here. And I can put my phone right in here, and then I squeeze it there, and boom. Well, I didn't put it on there tight, but you get the point because I'm doing it. Okay, now I did it tighter. See, so even with the vibration, it still stays, even when I put it upside down. All right, so I push this button back out, and I take out the phone. Simple, very simple. So, because how you gonna mount this on here? With this bracket right here that I bought for the phone, it comes with this little mounting bracket right here. Right here. So this is, you clip it on here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this and mount it here. And I don't know if you could tell, there's 4 holes in here. And as you can see, I have it lined up already, and all 4 holes are lined up. So you got 1 hole here. Okay, you got 1 hole here, 1 hole here. You got all 4 holes lining up. So all I have to do is screw this in, and I'm all set. And they do provide you with some screws. Let me see, where is it? Right here. Some bolts and nuts. So we're gonna put this together right now. I'm gonna see which way I gotta put it. Okay. All right, so I gotta put it this way. I'm gonna put it like this, with this hook facing up. And now I'm gonna put these bolts on here. I'm not gonna bore you with this part because this part is pretty boring. So I'm gonna just go fast with this, speed it up, and so you don't have to deal with it. So basically, guys, that's how it looks. I don't know if you can see it properly. Bring it closer so you can see. Maybe if I block out the light enough, it'll bring out the ISO. All right, but it goes like this. And then all I have to do is mount my bracket right on top here. And that's it. And then I put it on here and then I'm all set to go. Simple. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the camera coming now this way, facing here, so you can see what I'm talking about, all right? Give me a second. All right, guys, so we're here in front of my car. I know you're gonna have my face, but it's okay. You guys can see what I'm talking about. I have my car. So basically what I'm gonna do, my phone is gonna be mounted like this right here. Like I showed you earlier, that where I wanted it to be. So this bracket here is gonna go right in here like this, but it's gonna go underneath this thing and it's gonna stick out right on the side here. So I'm gonna keep it like this. There's already a pre-cut hole where it's gonna be mounted with this controller pad right here with the screw here. So it's gonna be very easy to do. All I gotta do is take this part out. Hopefully I don't have to drop this down, because with this thing, it's a pain in the butt. I'm pretty sure this thing just pops out. All right, so yeah, it does. So I'm hoping I don't have to do much. Yeah, okay. So luckily, I don't have to take this whole thing out. I have enough space to do it, but I could just stick this in like this and then screw it down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start this here. You guys not gonna be not able to see half the stuff, but it's all right. You guys gonna get what I'm doing. All right, so as you see, it was really simple. I put it on here. Now I can just close it up. And that's it, and it's done. All right, so I got as close as much as I can. Now, you guys gonna look at it, right? This could wiggle. I did pay an extra $10 to get this little foam pack right here. So basically, what this does, it's a little foam here. It curves to your dash, and then you can put it down here like this. I don't know which way it goes, but it might be the other one. But the anti-vibration mount, so foam. So I'm gonna go and see if it's this way. No, let's see if it's this way. It looks like it's more this way than anything. All right, perfect. So I can put that like this and boom. So it does come with a little Velcro thing right here, so you can put it on there. All right, so you put this Velcro on the back of here, which I should have done it when it was off, but I'm gonna see if I can do it without having to take out the mount. Okay, so I think I got it perfectly. So basically, all I gotta do is put this here, and that's it, and it sticks. All right, since this doesn't have the screws down here, that's why it's sticking out a little bit. But I'm gonna buy some screws, and so I can mount it here. But other than that, everything else is on there. So now, what am I gonna do? Put my phone hook on here. My phone holder is there. Now I'm gonna put this here, close this up, and I'm all set. Look how cool this is, guys. This is freaking awesome. I think this is an awesome little product here. Again, if you want to get this, I'll leave a link down below in the description so you guys can see it. So now when I'm driving, I can keep my phone there and enjoy it. Simple. That's simple, guys. That's how easy it is to put it in. This is a great product for all my S2000 owners because this is awesome. Really, really is awesome. And that's it. All right. Let's go and give my final thoughts on this. All right, guys, so as you see, we installed it right there. It's installed. It looks awesome. It works great. I haven't driven the test yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be great there. It's not gonna give me any issues. So this was an awesome product. I think it was worth every penny. The mount itself, I believe, was like 30 bucks. And then I had to pay another like 15 bucks to get that phone holder. Unless you want to use the magnetic one. They do sell the magnetic one, but I didn't get that one because I wanted the phone holder. Like I mentioned, with the driving in the car, when let's say you hit a sharp turn or you brake too fast, the magnet's not going to hold in tight. That holder is going to hold it a lot better than a magnet. So I prefer that one. That's the reason I went this route. Yes, I pay a little bit more money, but it is what it is. Again, I'll leave a link to both items that I got here. The actual mount for the dash for modifier, I'll leave their link down below. You can get it. Again, they do sell the magnetic one if you want to go that route, but that's clearly up to you. I did get this other phone mount from Amazon. I'll leave a link to that down there below as well, so you guys can get both of them if you want to do it this way. It works really awesome in my personal opinion, and I like it. So if you enjoyed this video and everything I showed you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel so they don't miss out, just like you don't miss out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below. And I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so, to the end of this video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out here. Peace.